Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be planting a bunch of corn, but I thought I'd walk through what's already been planted. This whole big patch of walking onions and garlic in the back, and in the very back red onions. Come down through here, you can see it's a huge patch of walking onions. Then we got all of this is tomatoes. And it's a variety of all kinds of different tomatoes. And then down below the tomatoes, step through right here. Squash, zucchini. And there's a bunch of zinnias planted on the bottom edge. But the neat thing, one of the first things I planted, this row all the way up is bell peppers. This side is all the trident, poblano trident. This one, it's already got peppers, because this pepper and then those 4 bells on the end, those are left over from last year. We dug them up, put them in the greenhouse, and you can see they are already making little babies. So that's actually the first video I've done of me flying the drone around. I got the drone with the channel in mind because there are some waterfalls coming up that are difficult to hike to, but with a drone I can get some incredible footage, and it's going to take a lot of the stress of getting up some of these mountains off. Of course, that's coming up later this month and next month. But for farming videos as well, you know, plowing, laying off rows, and just zipping around the property, I had a lot of fun. Of course, I'm still learning the controls, so it's going to get better as time goes by. But you're also going to see right here, this is another new toy we got. This is a corn planter, and it's made a huge difference. You'll see at the end of the video, I put up a little clip of corn that Dad planted previous to this patch, and it shows just how well the spacing was, the depth, everything, like all the corn. It looks great. So I'll show you that at the end. But essentially, it's got a chute. You fill the chute up with corn, beans, peas, anything like that. The chute feeds the wheel, and then each one of the each one of these spades punches into the ground. They open up, put a seed down, and as it continues to roll, closes back up. Then you have the drum on the back. It covers up all the seeds you just planted. So you're eliminating like 3 steps that we would normally have to do with the hose and carrying buckets of seed around, that sort of thing. So this thing was kind of skeptical at first, but I can say really worked out well. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to plant this patch of corn. Other patches are going to come in later as well, but going to go ahead and knock this out. I appreciate everybody for coming back and making it this far in the video. Looking forward to doing more. Like I said, I've got a big waterfall trip coming up May 30th. I think I've got 7 falls that day, and that'll be in Georgia. Got another one coming up for North Carolina, maybe in June, I don't know. But thanks for coming back, everybody. I'll leave you with some music, and everybody, have a great week.